I'm on my own, broken and alone.
Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I have done a video about toothpaste hack, and today again I'm gonna be doing a video about lemon hack. And this little thing here can do a lot for us in our beauty care regime. And to know us, we need to get started, guys. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Let's get started, guys. The first hack is gonna be about nail care, and if you are someone who tend to get dirty, brittle nails really quickly, then this is the right solution for you. All you need to do is take a lemon and slice the lemon into two halves, then squeeze some juice out of it because it has lots of vitamin C and it is rich in citric acid, which has cleansing properties. And after that, I'm going to add few drops of coconut oil into this, and coconut oil has super moisturizing properties and it is rich in vitamin E. Some lukewarm water, then you need to dip your fingertips into this solution for 30 seconds, and after that you need to massage this solution on your fingertips for 2 to 3 minutes, and you can rinse it off with lukewarm water to see instant results. The second hack is gonna be about DIY makeup remover, and guys, this solution has the same things. It has coconut oil, lemon juice and some lukewarm water, and then you need a cotton pad and dip the cotton pad into the solution and you are good to go in removing your stubborn makeup off. And I was wearing this lipstick which is waterproof and it doesn't come off easily at all, so but this thing has really turned it into amazing makeup remover vibes, and as you guys can see, this has taken the entire thing off. The hack is gonna be about brightening and lightening your lips, and if you are someone who get really dirty and dark lips at the end of the day, all you need to do is take a lemon and slice it into two halves and rub it on your lips for some times, and you will see exfoliated and beautiful lips. The next hack is going to be about whitening your teeth, and I won't recommend you guys to use it on the daily basis, but if your teeth have gone really dirty and they look yellowish, then you can use this solution once a while, and all you need to do is squeeze some lemon and add some baking soda to it, and then start brushing your teeth with this solution for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, and initially it is going to be little sour in taste, but you'll see instant results. Your teeth are gonna get really whiter and brighter. The next hack is gonna be about your darkened part. If you are someone who tends to get darkening on your parts like your elbows and knees, then this is the right scrub for you. You need to add some sugar into this lemon juice, and after that you can add some coconut oil to this, and your DIY tan removal scrub is ready, guys. And you can apply it on your darkened part like your elbows, your knees, and you'll see some instant brightening. And if you are someone who tends to get a lot of tan, then this is the right scrub for you to use it on your face or other parts of the body, and then you can rinse it off after some time with lukewarm water. The next hack is about your stubborn whiteheads and blackheads you have over your face, and I tend to get a lot of them on my nose, and so you need to squeeze some lemon on the cotton pad and then apply it over your nose for good 4 to 5 minutes, and then rinse it off using lukewarm water, and you will see some instantly clean pores, and over a period of time you will see your blackheads and whiteheads resolving completely. Guys, the next hack is a hair hack, and if you are someone who doesn't like dark hair at all and you do not want to apply those harsh chemicals which are available in the market in order to get a different color to your hair, then all you need to do is squeeze some lemon into a bowl and start applying it on your hair, and then leave it overnight, and the next day you will see that your hair get a lightened color. And I have been using this for quite a long time, and this is the result I have got, and I really hope that it helps you guys. And the next hack is gonna be about hair hack too. So all you need to do is squeeze some lemon juice in your bowl, and if you're someone who tends to get a very dirty scalp really quickly, oily, and if you have dandruff flakes, then you can apply it on your scalp and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and then using your shampoo you can rinse it off. Guys, the next hack is gonna be about smelling sweat hack. So if you're someone who sweats a lot and it smells, so all you need to do is take a lemon and start rubbing it in your underarm and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then take shower, and you won't smell throughout the day. So guys, this was it for this video, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. Also, do not forget to follow me on my social media, link to which I'm going to leave in the description box below. And also, if you have any suggestion for me to do, just let me know in the comments down below. I would love to do what you guys want me to. And this is it, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.